Good morning children, I hope class 8 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well, as we have started playing with numbers and divisibility test we have been doing, and already exercise one exercise we have started and few questions already we have done. Question number 1 to 9, altogether 15 questions were there. 1 to 9 already you have done and I hope you must have written in your notebook. Rest of the question it was told to do, I hope many of you must have done and many of you might not have done. So, together those who have done or not done, be with your copy so that you try to learn properly, so that you should be very confident, you should be able to solve each and every question by yourself without help. So, let us start. So, today we are going to see exercise 5B, question number 10 to 15, already 1 to 9 have been done. Here you see first question you have find all possible values of x for which the number 7x3 is divisible by 3, also find each such number. So, this is so easy, I hope yourself you might have done. Here you see you have question find all possible values of x for which the number 7x3 is divisible by 3. How we will solve this? We will write, we know the divisibility test for 3 that the sum of the digits of the given number should be divisible by 3, and therefore what number you have been given 7, x and 3, this x must be such a number. If you are adding 7 plus x plus 3, that sum must come the multiple of 3. So, here you see first we will know what possible numbers are there which should come, so that that number will be divisible by 3. So, possible numbers will be possible numbers or the sum which is divisible by 3 are the multiples of 3. It means the sum should come, just you see 7 plus 3, that is 10. So, more than 10 it should be. So, that number starts with 12, the sum should come 12. So, that this is the multiple of 3 and this is divisible by 3. Then you have 15, then you have 18, then you have 21, then you have 24 and so on. So, these multiples should come if you are adding the digits of the given number, and accordingly we need to find out the value of x. So, if suppose if the value of x what we should keep, so that we will get 12 or 15 or 18 or 21 or 24 and so on. So, just you see what number should be kept. Therefore, 7 plus x plus 3 is equal to, we need to put 12 first. So, now you see x plus 10 is equal to 12, x plus 10 is equal to 12. It means x should be what? 12 minus 10, it means 2. So, first number you have got x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2 you are keeping, then 7 plus 2 plus 3 will become 12, and 12 will be divisible by 3, and that is why this number will be divisible by 3. So, your first number is, therefore, first number will be 7, 2 and 3, 723. Second, we will find out what we will do. 7 plus x plus 3 is equal to 15, it should be second number. So, x plus 10 is equal to 15. So, x will be 15 minus 10, it means x is equal to 5. The second number will be, what? 7, 5 and 3. So, the value of x is equal to 2, then your number will be 723. When your value will be x is equal to 5, then your number will be 753. The other number you find out, then 7 plus x plus 3 should be 18. Then in this case you see 7 plus x, or you can write directly x plus 10 is equal to 18, or x will be equal to 18 minus 10 and x is equal to 8. So, third number will be, your third number will be 7, 8 and 3. So, in this way, if suppose if more than 8 we cannot put, because that will become 2-digit number. So, up to here you will be having answer x is equal to 3 numbers you have got, x is equal to 2, possible numbers are 2, 5 and 8, and your number will become, numbers will be 723, second number you have 753 and 783, and this is your answer. So, in this way I hope you understood. In this way this is required to be solved. Next question, you see, find all possible values of y for which the number 53y1 is divisible by 3. Same thing is required to be done. Also find each such number. Here you have again the same thing is required to be written. We know that if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3, and therefore what we need to do here, you see, you have 5 plus 3 plus y plus 1, it should be such a number that should be divisible by 3. It means multiples of 3 you should get. So, multiples of 3 possible numbers will be what? Possible numbers, the sum or possible sum will be what? Just you see, 5 and 3, 8, 8 and 1, 9. So, it should be, it can be started with 0. So, that 9 will be divisible by 3. So, here you can see the possible sum will be 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. So, first number you see, first number will be what? 5 plus 3 plus y plus 1 is equal to 9. First number we will get. Here you see 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and plus 1. So, 9 plus y is equal to 9 and therefore, y should be equal to 9 minus 9, it means 0. So, first number you will be having 5301. Next we will find out. Next 5 plus 3 plus y plus 1, it should be, first we had taken 9, then we will take 12. It should be 12. So, here you see 9 plus y is equal to 12 and therefore, y will be equal to 12 minus 9, it means 3. So, next number, second number will be 5 3 3 1. This 3 you have got, the value of y is equal to 3. Then third number you try, you will be having 5 plus 3 plus y plus 1 is equal to 15 and it should be 5 plus 3 plus, or just you will be having 9 plus y is equal to 15 and therefore, y will be equal to 15 minus 9 and y is equal to 6. So, the third number you will be having, you will have 5 3 6 1 you have got. Next we will see 5 plus 3 plus y plus 1 is equal to 18. Now, you see 9 plus y is equal to 18 or y will be equal to 18 minus 9, it means 9. So, fourth number will be 5391. So, finally, what you have got? You have got 4 numbers, because more than this we cannot get, otherwise it will become 2 digit number. So, 1 digit number maximum we can reach to 9. So, we have got value of y is equal to 9, then your fourth number is 5391. When we had y is equal to 6, we had 5361. When we had 3, then we had 5331. And when we had y is equal to 0, then we had 5301. So, 4 answers we have got in proper way, it should be written. So, I hope you understood and you will be able to solve. Next, you see, find the value of x for which the number x806 is divisible by 9. Also find the number. The same thing is required to be done over here also, because divisibility of 9 is the same as 3. So, here you see here we have, again we will write, if the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. This already we know. So, that is why x, we will write x plus 8 plus 0 plus 6 should be 0 or multiple of, so 0 it cannot be, so just simply you write multiples of 9. So, you will write multiples of 9. So, here you see you will write all possible sums will be, what sum we will get, because here you add 8 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 14. So, after 14 the number it should be. So, after 14 multiple of 9 will be 18, and so on, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and so on. So, now we need to see first number. First number is x plus 8 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 18. Now, you see x plus 14 is equal to 18, and therefore, x will be equal to 18 minus 14, it means 4, x is equal to 4, and therefore, first number will be your 4806. Here you see, you no need to find other number, because already you have been given, only you need to find out the value of x and find the number. So, all possible value has not been given to be found out. So, other numbers are not required to be found out, value of x, one possible value you have got, and that is your answer. Next we will see, find the value of z for which the number 471z8 is divisible by 9, also find the number. Same thing is required to be done. Here you see, again we need to write, we know that the number 471z8 or any number which is divisible by 9, when we will know if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. So, we know that the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Therefore, what we will do, 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus z plus 8 is equal to, what should we get? Multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 we should get. So, all possible value of 9 would be what? Just you add this, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 and 1, 12, 12 and 8, 20. So, after 20 any number that should be divisible by 9. So, possible sum will be what? 27, 36, 45 and so on. So, only one number you need to find out of z. So, we will write, therefore, 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus z plus 8 is equal to 27, or z plus 20 is equal to, here you see, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 and 1 12 and 8 20, z plus 20 is equal to 27, and therefore, z will be equal to 27 minus 20, and that is equal to 7. So, your number will be number will be what? 4, 7, 1, 7, 8, and this will be your answer. So Z is equal to 7 and number will be 4, 7, 1, 7, 8. Next you see, give 5 examples of numbers each one of which is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. So easy question it is. Here you need to write down the multiples of 3 and multiples of 9. So your multiples of 3 that should be common, which should be divisible by 9. So that will start with 9. Up to here, suppose, and multiples of 9 you write down, and so on. So you need to write down 5 multiples. So here you see 5 common number you need to find out. So common you have, here you see 9 is common, then you have 18 is common, then you have 36 is common, 3 numbers you have got. Then next digit you write, next number you write down multiple of 3, that could be after 42, that will be 45, then you will have 48, then you will have 51, and then you will have 54. So you have got 45 and 54, this 45 and 54, 5 numbers you have got. So just you see, we need to see all the common multiples of 3 and 9 will be divisible by both the numbers, but the numbers which will not be divisible by 9 will be which number you need to find out. Give 5 examples of numbers each one of which is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. So just you see which numbers are there. You can see 12 is not divisible by 9, your 15 is not divisible by 9, your 21 is not divisible by 9, 24 is not divisible by 9, 30 is not divisible by 9. So 12, 15, 21, 24 and 30 will be your answer, which is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. So then you have, give 5 examples of numbers each one of which is divisible by 4. Here you see, we will write multiples of 4, that will be 4, 8, 12, and so on, and multiples of 8 will be and so on. So just we need to find out 5 numbers which are divisible by 4 but not by 8. So those numbers will be, just you see, 12 is not divisible by 8, 20 is not divisible by 8, then you have 28 is not divisible by 8, and then you have 36 is not divisible by 8. Then next multiples you will be having 40 and 44. So 44 will not be divisible by 8. So your answer may be 12, 20, 28, 36 and 44. These numbers are divisible by 4 but not by 8, and this will be your answer. So So I hope you understood all the questions. I don't think any problems now you will be having, because each and every questions have been solved. So just you go through, try to practice again and again. You should be very confident that you should be able to solve each and every question by yourself, so that in exam you should be able to score good marks. Next day we will see next topic. Until then, thank you.